Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can get rid of the inspection indicator showing up, this indicator over here flashing, of an Opel Astra 2007. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars, some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start. First of all, have the ignition off, then press this button over here, turn the ignition back on, wait for it, and you'll see that the inspection flashing indicator turns into dots like this. And then you can release the button and you'll see that the inspection indicator is gone. So once again, the ignition is off, press and hold the button on the right side of the instrument cluster, hold it, turn the ignition on, wait for the inspection indicator to turn into dots, and you'll see that the inspection won't show up anymore. Like this. Release, do the check. That's it. And that's how you can reset an Opel Astra 2007. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. I want to thank you for watching our videos. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.